Oh, what am I drinking, you ask? Peppermint hot chocolate. It is so yummy. I love this time of year for warm drinks, but you know what? I actually drink them all year round. Let me tell you how to make the yummiest peppermint hot chocolate ever. Okay, my favorite baking cocoa is Guittard. I've tried them all. Hershey's, Ghirardelli. This I think has the richest, yummiest flavor. I do like things a little bit sweet, so I put in liquid stevia. If you don't like sweetener, you don't have to put it in, but I like this. And then I put in 1 drop of doTERRA peppermint essential oil. Here's the thing about oils. You gotta check the label. This has a nutrition label on it, which means it's safe to ingest. There's a lot of bad oils out there that are made with fillers that would not be safe. So please, if you don't have doTERRA, Young Living I'm thinking is probably gonna be fine as well. Just check the nutrition label, please. And then we don't do dairy in my house. I have a nut pod creamer. Put that all in my Magic Bullet blender, and you get the yummiest peppermint hot chocolate. Now here's the thing, do you need a blender? Yes, because the peppermint oil is so strong, if you just drop it in, you'll be drinking it and you'll actually feel it all in your face. So you gotta blend it up, whirl it up, and plus it makes it frothy and creamy. Hopefully you love them as much as I do. Have a great day.